infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hi there, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Hi, I am Tassen. Now I am going to tell about a rainy day. On a rainy day, it rains all day long. A rainy day is dull and gloomy. It rains very fast. Um, People cannot go out without an umbrella. Some people, on a rainy day, uh, roads are water fall on roads and roads become muddy and slippery. Sometimes people sleep and fall on the muddy road. The poor suffers much in the rainy day. They cannot go out of the quest of work and cannot earn their daily food. Uh, Most of the students do not go to school. Only few students go to school. Uh, they get drenched on the way. So the classes are also not held. A day of joy to them. Other people also stay at home and pass their day without doing anything. A rainy day is not pleasant at all, and that's all. Bye.